Ready? Okay.
Let's go.
I have a special guest.
All right. So
Wait, did we do a sound check? Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. Did you do sound check?
Yes.
Because she speaks like a whisper.
I know what my joke is going to be.
Oh, you have a joke.
Yeah, I like to start with a joke.
Okay, let's start with a joke.
The joke is... I forgot my joke.
Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I have a very special guest with me. My husband, James, is going to be here side by side with me as I answer some questions about our recent launch, share with you some of the reactions, and we're gonna go through some of the scandal.
What scandal?
There was scandal.
No.
No.
There's never scandal on
No.
YouTube.
With me, never. I don't think I have ever had a launch that has not had pushback. And as I'm going through this, I have to feel like when, especially I see comments that are like, no one wanted this, no one wanted this. And I always prove that thought form wrong. Like over time, it's like a lot of people want it. So we're gonna get into some of the more juicy, dramatic comments, and you're just my moral support here. Can I get a drink?
You want a drink?
I want a drink.
I thought you stopped drinking.
I would like a non-alcoholic energy drink that is not a supplement. Let's clear that up straight away. You guys, this is an energy drink. Literally on the front of the package, it says with this big star little surrounding 75 milligrams of caffeine. So you're seeing right on the front that it is an energy drink. Now it happens to be a clean energy drink, clean energy sourced from guarana seed extract. We list all the things that were formulated without right on the back of the bag. There's no artificial colors, no artificial sweeteners. You're getting a phytonutrient blend, some trace minerals, saffron, acerola cherry. You're getting all these good things, but it's an energy drink. It's just a better one.
But also, it's not juice.
It's not juice.
Some people are upset saying, we don't want to buy any juice. It actually says on the package, does not contain real juice.
We were being kind of funny with it. And I think as time moves on and people try the product and understand it, they're going to understand the branding and the name a little bit better. But also this is not carbonated and it does have this kind of juicy sensation. The flavor is definitely there.
It's ridiculously delicious.
Cheers.
Period.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I want to start with a few moments of exceptional feedback. Let's do a look at some of the reviews that are already in. Now, this is literally day 3 of launch and not everybody has received their product yet. So I'm waiting for more people to actually try and experience how good this product is. And I think that the more you guys see people enjoying it online and then expressing how good it makes them feel, that, you know, maybe your interest will change if you were someone that was kind of on the fence. Let's take a look at what Maggie Aubrey has to say about Go-Go Juice. I'm loving this feedback.
I have a product PSA as someone that is trying to actively keep my cortisol levels low, but also needs energy, but can't do like high strung energy drinks like Celsius and things like that because I literally will not sleep at night. Like it stays in my system for a long time because I'm a petite person. This product is incredible and you'll never guess who makes it. Tati Westbrook, Glam Life Guru, the OG beauty influencer. I literally have always said she is my YouTube mother. She taught me everything that I know about makeup. She's the best. If you've never seen her, I don't know what rock you're living under because she's an OG. She's also in the health and wellness space now, and she sent me this new Unfair Advantage Go-Go Juice. This is insane, you guys. Jake and I are both addicted, obsessed. We're literally ordering more immediately because we're gonna fly through this. I had 2 of them yesterday. I had one in the afternoon with my little pick-me-up snack situation because I just needed a little boost, and I slept perfectly fine last night. It tastes incredible. It's so nostalgic. Like, I don't know, it kind of tastes like a fruit roll-up to me, but there's no sugar or BS in here. One packet is 10 calories. You can see all the things that it's free of. I don't know, do your own research, but this is just incredible, insane. I love it. I'm also fangirling because she wrote this note by hand for me and literally wrote my name. Y'all have to try this. If you're into clean ingredient things, but you need some caffeine boost, a little something, something, it's freaking fabulous.
Love it. Love it.
That was
love
amazing.
it. Love it. Thank you so much to Maggie for, like, you were one of the first. Not everybody has got their product yet. So I'm just like on pins and needles waiting for everyone to receive it and try it. Shocked. Shocked. I never thought that this day would come. Rich Lux sent me a voice note.
Really?
I think for
You're
all
gonna
the
play a voice
times,
note?
for all of the times that he has put on screen something that I have sent him, or, you know, the times that, let's just get into it.
Okay.
Tati, I love this drink. Girl, I've never done cocaine before, but I'm pretty sure this is what it feels like. I am bouncing off the walls. I just left Fox News. Girl. And it actually helps with my digestive system, if you know what I mean. I done went like two times already. I'm like, what is this? This slaps. This is some good stuff. I did some good. The only thing, you know me, I bitch about everything. And I'm just splitting hairs here. If it had collagen peptides, but other than that, I love it. You have a hit on your hands, baby.
All right.
I loved that so much. And collagen peptides, that's something that maybe we will do in the future. I have a lot of ideas for different drinks that I would like to create. Sydney Slays, who was one of my absolute favorite creators, literally, she is a hero to me in so many ways because she is the most authentic person online. I freaking love her
She's
energy
amazing.
so much. She is just like such, I don't even know, like, I don't want to get like cheesy with it and be like, and she's a beam of sunshine and great happiness to us all. But she's just actually so real with her audience that it motivates me to like stop overthinking and trying to be so perfect, because that is like one of my bigger flaws. Like I definitely think things through, or at least like try to, and like there's something refreshing about someone that just shows up as their full self and you can literally feel it. So Sydney, I freaking love you. I'm fangirling that you sent me this voice note.
I have to send you a voice note because I am like the pickiest person when it comes to these like drinks, because for some reason the artificial flavoring for me leaves this like weird, I don't want to even call it an aftertaste, but it just tastes funky, you know what I mean? Which I know you know what I mean, because this doesn't have it. Tati, no, you outdid yourself, babe. I say this to you all the time, but like you know what's funny? I said to my mom, I'm like, this is gonna be fire because Tati made it. She's actually drinking one downstairs as well. She's like, no, this is good. I'm like, I know. I'm excited for the next flavor. Are you kidding me? This is amazing. Also, I love that you're back into like the wellness realm after everything you've been through. That makes me so incredibly happy for you, and I just hope you see the most success with this. And I hope to talk to you soon, babe. I hope you have a great day.
That was so kind, and I just need people to try this and experience it and then make their mind up. So I think the other thing that's really hard when you're selling product online that no one has ever heard of, whether it's coming from me or someone just launching that doesn't have a social presence at all, you really need to try it before you go and give it the beat down. So that is something challenging when I have open comments and people can give their opinions of whether they like it or they don't like it, but you haven't even tried it.
Straight form Timu, no go juice. Cheap as it can be, brought to you by QVS.
Brought to you by QVS was my favorite part of that comment. And look, some people are going to like the marketing and some people are not.
I'll stick with emergency.
At least you get 30 packets for $12. Look, emergency, the formula, like maybe we do a side by side because you guys.
I'm just curious, what's their source of vitamin C?
It is not acerola cherry. It's not. There's no caffeine in it either. So emergency has been marketed for a long time as something that you take for immune support when you're coming down with a cold. What we are is an energy drink that happens to have a lot of important boosting ingredients within it. Like vitamin C, you get your 100% coverage of it from acerola cherry. Not gonna hurt your stomach.
The name of that ingredient, I always hear it a different way.
I do too. Every time I'm saying it, I'm like, oh my gosh. There's like this Instagram, like this reel of this woman being like, is it really called a pussy willow? And her husband's like, why do you have to put such an emphasis on it? And that's how I feel about acerola cherry.
Okay, so here's a comment from the Kitty Chance. I feel like this is an energy drink, and that's fine. I just wish it was more clear it's an energy drink and that it has good things in it. So I agree with many of the comments. I don't hate. I just wish it was clear that it's an energy drink. On three. 1, 2, 3.
It's an energy drink. Okay, I do want to point out again, the front of the bag does say 75 milligrams of caffeine. And I do believe in my launch video, I shared with you all where we were getting the caffeine from and that it is a caffeinated beverage.
You should have put up a list of the ingredients because it actually looks decent. Don't just tell us it's good, break it down. I'll bite though and give it a try. I'll be back with my honest opinion as I actually start my day with water and a liquid IV. Then I head to work with Zip Fizz. No coffee drinks or canned energy drinks. I'm curious, so we'll see. I remember when you used to be all about Zip Fizz.
I was, and that's actually why I saved this comment. That was not a nasty comment. I actually really appreciate it. And you guys, I appreciate the feedback. Zip Fizz used to be something that I obsessed over. It gave me really bad breath though, which is like a random side note that has nothing to do with anything. It was just like on the top of my head and you would actually complain about it. You'd be like, oh, that stuff stinks. Like, why are you
Well, she'd be like,
that?
can we go to Costco? And I'm like, you just want to get Zip Fizz.
I know, it's true.
And I'd be like, but then your breath.
Zip Fizz has a lot of nutrition in it, but when you look at the sourcing of the ingredients and you look at a lot of the fillers and the added ingredients, I don't think it's the cleanest out there. So I'm gonna go ahead and say that Go-Go Juice is a massive upgrade. The nutritional information is on the website. It's very clear. You can see every ingredient up close. There's nothing too complex about the ingredients. This is an energy drink, but you are getting other elements to it once again that are very supportive to your system as far as antioxidant, trace minerals, C, methylated B12, but it's all very clearly listed.
Seems like Tati had a rough go. How could no one tell her that this is not something the market needs? Oof.
Oof. Oh, you know what? It was the last little bit of that comment. Like I could handle the whole comment and you're like reading it, and then it's there, oof. I love an energy drink and I love beverages that taste good. I'm a beverage queen. You guys know I have a history of always sharing with you guys the new drinks that I find. And I ran into some significant health issues where I couldn't do stevia anymore. And a lot of the ingredients that are traditionally used in energy drinks specifically were really hurting my system. So I felt I can't be the only one out there that has an issue like this. I'm gonna make something clean. I'm gonna make it taste better than my competitors, and I'm gonna add elements in it that are going to dazzle you and help support your system, and that's where this idea was born.
A lot of people are upset with the $50 price. It's $39.95 Try Me price for everybody. All new customers, $39.95, which is not $50. And once we get into subscriptions, it's gonna be $34.95. And both of those things are free shipping. So the $39.95 Try Me price is free shipping and the subscriptions is free shipping. So it's not $50. Anybody thinking that it's $50 is wrong. It's only gonna be $50 or $49.95 after we launch subscriptions and after someone has tried it. So if you've tried it and you've bought it and you wanna come back and buy again at $49.95, you can, or you can subscribe, which helps us like plan our inventory because we do have to manufacture. We've got a lead time here and we want to make sure that everybody has everything that they want. We really want people to subscribe. That's the best thing, but we want you to try it before you subscribe.
But also that breaks down on subscription to about $1.70 a drink.
$1.75.
$1.75, which I dare you to find me a drink in the grocery in a can that's energy plus like a little sprinkle of, vitamin B that's unmethylated that is $1.70. Just come on. The price of this product is very, very fair for what is in it. I want to say one final thing and land on a really good note. If you didn't like this launch, I want you to know I love you. Please continue watching my channel. It's okay. Do I think some of you were unnecessarily rough on me? Yes, I really do. And I feel that you guys, maybe it's weird, the whole parasocial relationship, but I love you guys. I value you and I don't ever want to disappoint you. So it's hard to not take it too personal, but I'm going to just move through this. It is what it is. I'm really proud with what we've created here. I believe this brand is something that is going to grow, especially once people experience and try it. It does taste delicious. There's nothing else on the market quite like it.
Everyone is still going to be getting the beautiful box. We'll probably go into subscriptions in a couple of more weeks and new flavors next month. New flavor.
New flavor next month. But you guys, leave in the comments, what flavors are you interested in? I want to hear from you. I'm super curious. It's been kind of fun for me to read the comments of people being like, I really want something coconut lime. I'm into peach. I'm into watermelon. I want to hear from you. All right, you guys, thank you for hanging out with us while we dished on a little bit of spicy drama, talked about go-go juice, answered some questions. If you guys have not tried this, please do. The link will be in the description box below. We're gonna get right back to beauty in my next video. I love you all so much. Thank you to my handsome husband for being here with me. And you guys go have a great day, whatever you are doing. I love you so much. All right, bye you guys.
Mwah.